Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Brilliantly trans-illuminating swellings. So this is a very important topic and question. So it includes the vaginal hydrocele, then there is the epididymal cyst, thirdly there is a cystic hygroma, as well as there is a ranula and the meningocele. So let's recap. So we saw the brilliantly trans-illuminating swellings. So it includes the vaginal hydrocele. Next is the epididymal cyst. Thirdly, there is a cystic hygroma, and then there is a presence of the ranula, is also a brilliantly trans-illuminating swelling, and last there is meningocele, is also a brilliant trans-illuminating swelling. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.